Is the iPhone 17 really worth the upgrade, or are we just being sold another fancy shell with a new name? Every year, Apple brings out something new, but this time around, the real excitement isn't about the phone's body, it's about what's happening inside. Yes, there's a new model called the iPhone 17 Air, which is said to be super thin and extremely light, and the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are rumored to have some decent upgrades too, like better telephoto cameras, a fresh design, and new colors. But when it comes to the regular iPhone 17, it feels like we've been here before. It's not that it's bad, it's just not exciting. But what really has everyone talking, including me, is iOS 26. Normally, all the attention is on the shiny new hardware, whether it's a titanium frame, slimmer bezels, or slightly better cameras, but we often forget that each new iPhone also brings a new version of iOS, and this year's iOS 26 might be the best reason to upgrade. It's not about Genmojis or some random AI magic. iOS 26 seems actually useful. From early reports, we're hearing about better performance, smarter tools that actually help in day-to-day tasks, and new privacy features that might finally feel like something we can use without needing a tech dictionary. Apple is expected to roll out tighter control over app permissions, more customization for the lock screen and home screen, and even changes to the way notifications work so they're not overwhelming. Some small but welcome updates are expected for photos and messages, and we might finally get more options for setting default apps, something iPhone users have been asking about for years. And with Apple focusing more on on-device processing, your personal data might be safer too. While the iPhone 17 Air sounds cool in theory, we've seen how super thin phones in the past sometimes sacrificed battery life or durability. So unless Apple pulls off some serious innovation, it might just be another lightweight phone with a premium price. The iPhone 17 Pro models might grab more attention thanks to their upgraded cameras, maybe even higher megapixel sensors, better low light performance, and stronger zoom. But again, it's the software that makes all this hardware worth it. Think about it, a 48 megapixel camera doesn't mean much if the software behind it isn't smart enough to make your photos look great. The real magic comes from the improvements in image processing, editing tools, and the AI that runs quietly in the background. That's where iOS 26 could really shine. Battery management could also see improvements, and while we don't have the exact number of milliampere-hour capacity for these phones yet,